the day. This is insignificant, and it is anything but that. Possibly the worst name rapid ever. You guys are going to start up top. Obviously, there are some major holes there. This rock right here might get in your way as well. Come on down here, avoid this hydraulic, and especially avoid this big undercut wedge-shaped rock. It's trap you like a mouse underneath it. Go on down. There's more hydraulic holes, big ways to store for you. All right, guys, good luck with your first big challenge of the day, Class 5 Insignificant.
is forming what we call a pillow. You guys are going to try and ride up and slap the snot out of that rock right there, because it is a very, very, very bad rock. Deserves it. Alright, you guys are going to start up top here, work your way around these rocks. There is a giant hole right there called inertia. Hit that, and it will fling you either onto the pillow, onto the Volkswagen, or on around this side. Either way, you're going to have a good time. Alright, good luck here at Class 5 Pillow Rock.
Heaven, West Virginia. my country road. Take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home.
Jump shot here at Pillow Rock, guys. No bueno, we have people. Swim that way! Swim that way! Swim that way! Swim that way! Keep swimming! Keep swimming!
Yesterday, country road.
Wait! Keep swimming! Keep swimming!
West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, take me home. Down country road, take me home.
Swimming!
Country road.
Oh my goodness! And we have Whitey coming on down. Getting everybody, and then we have Mr. Highlander. He is coming out. A nice little bump on the pillow. And taking him on all downtown. Alright guys. Alright, Team Extreme to the rescue. I better get on down there. Good job here. See you on downstream. Alright guys, at least I have made it on down here to our next big stop of the day. It is called Lost Paddle. I'm thinking about a bunch of those. There are a little bunch out there at Pillow. And this is the White Pipe, big feature at the second drop. Once you get through there, it's not going to be the end of it. You still got most of the Rapid Rep run. You got Six Pack Rock right there. We're going to heavily head out there. Gotta go left or right there. Make sure not to wrap around that one. Leave Six Pack. Alright guys, good luck here at Lost Paddle. Most dangerous rapid of the day. This one is called Iron Ring, created from blasting rocks so they can get these big logs on down the river to support the local economy. All right, you guys are going to enter up top. You guys need to avoid this right here in the middle. That is Woodstock Hole, guys. It is filled with those sharp, jagged rocks made from all those explosions many years ago. All right, guys, good luck here. Pass 5, Iron Ring. All right, swim team, it looks like you guys got most of your paddle up back and you are heading into the river here. The trick here is you guys need to be able to get far enough over to this side of the river or avoid those rocks there. I've given the all forward and you guys look like you've made it around Woodstock Hole just fine. Taking a big hit. Nicely done, guys. Good job. Way to go. Woo! Good job.
Oh, where you gonna go when the crops won't grow? hide behind their will.
Looks like everybody managed to stay in. Well, good job, guys. You made it through one of the most dangerous rapids commercially run. Good job. All right, guys. Gotta cruise on down. Next stop of the day. See you there. All right, here we are at our last big stop of the day. This is Sweets Falls. I think you probably know it from the picture. You guys want to watch out this over here, Myrtle Aid Rock. You guys might hit that and come out all over the water in this big frothy mess. On here we have the Box Canyon Postage Due. Big hole down there. You guys might see some action there too, as well as the far river right side of Sweets Falls. That hydraulic there is very keepy and called the Energizer. Keeps you in there for sure. All right, guys, good luck here. Last 5, Sweets Falls. Here you guys come.
The river sings like a symphony, whisper soft hymns as I sit here listening. She can murder you, or she can make you stronger. This goddess is also known as a monster, and when unleashed, she can eat you in a second. Have you reaching for the light as you scream to get a breath in? And if it goes and all hope wastes away, may your soul breathe forever on the crest of these waves. I crave nothing more than perfect current, immersed in the whirling dervish of turbulence. Beneath the surface is a realm less traveled, as the canyon cuts deep through the roots of the mountains. The flow, as it's called, pumps blood through the planet like veins through these strange brains that we inhabit. I see the madness all around me and it don't stop. Another run downtown sadness on the sidewalk. I wish the rain could wash this all away, open up the floodgates and drown out the pain. And when no life remains, death will not be sinister, cause one day I will be one with this river. See, I'm just one in 7 billion on this planet, trying to understand the reasons for the pain on the canvas. I see the picture clearer now, though it's harder to fathom. The older I get, it all seems harder to manage, but it's the damage I do to myself that brings it out. Waking up in this small town, feeling so down, although I'm proud of where I'm from. Represent NorCal, where the culture helped me develop my own style. But it's wild once you leave your homeland and step onto the path of a traveling nomad. I've seen the same as many men, but more than most. 20 plus countries under me and more to go. The globe is endless, our time is precious, so take a second to see what you can, man, before the curtain call ends it. I promise you won't regret it, it's essential to your soul. The further